Well, late night with this radio, almost 2 a.m. here. I did get the PTO back on the radio, and I like how it turned out. It really runs nice. Just jam through it nice. Well, I didn't get the radio blown up cleaning it, I guess. It's still running, but hard to say what's working. I don't think sideband works anymore. I did hear one AM station on here, but without the face on, I can't tell what I'm doing, so there's static and everything. I did get the on-off switch working too. The only trouble is this switch. This switch, where are you, switch? I think I'm getting too tired for this tonight. Yeah, I gotta put some washers in here because this switch kind of rubs on the thing that flicks the switch, so I gotta fix that. Put those LED lights in there, those kind of work. I probably wrecked a few things by cleaning this thing. I can't get sideband to work anymore, really. Not sure why. That's sideband right there, I think. But tomorrow is another day. At least I didn't burn up the radio. It's still working. It's all clean. The PTO is all rebuilt. It goes great. I just gotta get the radio working again, but it's clean. It's definitely clean. I'll give it that. It is clean. I just gotta figure out now what's broken, what's not. I also fixed the oiled the bearing here and the pre-selector. Got that working. So the pre-selector's up and down working, but it's late. I gotta work tomorrow. Yeah, just gonna wait. Today was a marathon effort getting this thing up and running, getting it cleaned up anyway. I guess I got the rest of the holiday to worry about it. So thanks for watching. Have a great day.